down to 49. Paragas, Pastor Paragas sa sagasa, pinasa kay Jersey number 27, Rosario. Ang galing mo, Rosario. Andre, didiskarte para sa balik-balik. Andre, guarded by 2. Andre, hinahanap ang kakampi, pinasa kay Pamintuan sa sagasa, steal na naman, Paragas. Basket count to jersey number 23, Paragas. Misa, guarded by Paragas. Misa for 3. Reball, rebound by Pamintuan. Block shot by Paragas. Pamintuan. To Rosario, fade away. Basket count, ang galing mo. Number 14, Paragas sa jersey number 23. Rosario to Paragas. Paragas connect. Time out. Balik. And this game is brought to you by Silver Swan Soy Sauce. Babaeng tinutoyo, lalaki ang nanunoyo.
Technical foul. Balik. Wala na silang time out.
Technical Pedro to jersey number 23, Paragas. And that game is brought to you by Marvin Paragas. Ball possession to balik. Pyro didiskarte. Pyro sumagasa. Pinasa kay Rosario. Alabas stepping the line. Balik po. Time remaining 7 minutes and 16 seconds to end the final period. Misa, guarded by 2. Pinasa kay Pyro. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 14, Paragas. That's your third personal foul. Second team foul. Andre to Misa. Paso Rosario. Ang ganda naman nun. Ang galing mo, Rosario. Paragas, guarded by Misa. Pinasa kay Rosario to Paragas. Balik kay Rosario. Negative. Rebound by Andre to Pyro. Dumiretso. Negative. Rebound by Rosario nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Paragas. Pasa kay Season. Negative. Rebound by Andre to Pyro. Pinatay ang kasama. Pyro. Paso Andre. Binalik kay Misa for 3. Negative. Rebound by Season. Next game, get ready. Paragas. Alphonse. Sabrek. Number 3, Misa. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 23, Paragas. That's your second personal foul. Third team foul. Pusatas, pass to Misa, guarded by Paragas. Misa, nabitawan. Save ball. Misa to Pusatas to Rosario. Perfect. Rosario kumuha. Negative. Rebound by Rosario. Jersey number 27, Rosario. Basket count to jersey number 27. Misa sumagasa. Paso Andre. Block shot. Rebound by Season to Paragas. Pinasa kay Paragas. Jersey number 23 for 3. Negative. Rebound by Misa. Out of ball. Save ball.
Meow, meow.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 6 seconds to end the final period. 69 down Ario. Still na naman, Muntika, Pamintuan. Basket count to jersey number 28, Pamintuan. Season, Garner Benisa.
Uy.
Season. Pass to Paragas. Paragas sa jersey number 20. Nugget. Rebound by jersey number 28. Pamintuan. Rosario. Nagmamadali. Rosario. Block shot. Piso mula sa puso. Number 27. Rosario. Nugget. Rebound naman. Block shot. Rosario. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 28. Pamintuan. That's your third personal foul. First team foul. Basket count to jersey number 27, Rosario. Another ball distribution to jersey number 27. Basket count. Sabret. $71 down to 55. Misa. Ganda may Paragas. Misa. Hindi makawala. Misa. Pinasa kay Pyro. Pyro. Yes sir. Basket count to jersey number 1. Pyro. Out of balls. Balik ball. Next game, get ready. Balik. Still by the jersey number 24 season. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 3, Misa. That's her second personal foul. 17 foul.
Pipigaran.
Season, pass to Paragas. Hinahanap ang kakampi. Paragas for 3. Nugget. Rebound by Andre to Pusadas for 3. Nugget. Rebound by Pyro Sumagasa. Nugget. Rebound by jersey number 23. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 3, Misa. That's your third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 20, Paragas to Rosario, Binomba. Nugget, follow up. Still by Andre to Pyro. Out of bounds. Bugig's ball. And this game is brought to you by Justin Integro. Number 20, Paragas. Pass to jersey number 23. Number 14, Paragas for 2. Nugget. Rebound by Andre to Pusadas sa mga didiskarte. Pinasa kay Misa. Guarded by Paragas. Misa. Nakawala. Nugget. Rebound by Season. Pass to number 14, Paragas to Season. Nugget. Rebound by Pamintuan to Misa. Misa for 3. Nugget. Time remaining 2 minutes and 39 seconds. 71 down to 57. Number 20, Paragas for 2. Nugget. Rebound by Pamintuan. Pass to Pyro. Basket count to jersey number 1, Pyro. Number 23, Paragas. Number 23, guarded by Misa. Pinasa kay jersey number 20, Paragas to Rosario. Nugget. Out of bounds. Balik ball. Sabret, Pyro out, Rosario in. Pass to Rosario, Rosario namamadali, Rosario. Nakakuha pa ng foul. 28. Time up. Bukid Powerhouse. Official score 71 to 59. Time remaining 1 minute and 59 seconds to end this period. And this game is brought to you by Aluna Group of Companies. King ang Paking ng Kapatakan. Another ball is being shot to jersey number 9, Rosario. Rebon, nasa 1 Rosario. Number 20, Paragas. Paragas, pass to Rosario. Rosario to jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Balik kay Paragas. Paragas. Wobbling violation. Cha-cha-cha, Paragas. And that game is brought to you by Nico Tulagan. Number 19, Andre. Out of ball, same ball. Passing count to jersey number 19, Andre. Number 20, Paragas. Still by jersey number 9, Rosario. Rosario naman to Andre. Andre, pulpit, Andre, Binopa. Andre. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 24. Jersey number 24, that's your fourth personal foul. Warning for graduation night. And that friendly reminder is brought to you by Nico Tulagan, ang Urong ng Bayan. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 24, Season, pass to Paragas. Paragas guarded by Rosario. Paragas nakawala. Paragas sasagasa. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 13, Pusadas. 13. Sabret. Jersey number 13, that's the first personal foul. Time up. Bukid Powerhouse. Simon. Bonus speed shot to jersey number 20, Paragas. Negative. Seconds.
55 seconds.
50 seconds. And that's foul number 28.
5 fouls, number 20, 5 fouls. Five fouls, number 28. 42 seconds. Both teams penalty separation. Paul. Warning for graduation. Fourth foul, number 28. 42 seconds.
Time remaining 42 seconds to end this final period. Istina naman ng jersey number 7 Rosario, paso Paragas. Istina by Andre. Andre nagpapadali. Andre isasagasa. Andre. 29 seconds. Paragas, 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 5. Negative. Another bonus finish at the jersey number 3, Lisa. Seconds to end this final period. Time remaining 8 seconds to end the final period. 72 down to 63. 8 seconds to end this final period. Nakuha pa ng ball by number 23, Paragas.
Pustahan ata itong mga
And
idol.
jersey number 23, that's the third personal foul.
Plus 10.
Penalty shot.
Pustahan plus 10, plus 10.
Penalty shot to jersey number 28, Pamintuan. Passing down to jersey number 28, Pamintuan. Another bonus finish at the jersey number 28. Passing down to jersey number 28. Out of ball. Time remaining 6 seconds to end this final period. 6 seconds to end this final period. Pamintuan, pass to Pyro. Nakakuha pa ng ball. Foul by number 20, Paragas. Holding foul. Jersey number 20, that's the third personal foul. 2 penalty shot to jersey number 1, Pyro. Negative. Another bonus penalty shot to jersey number 1. Negative. And that is the end of this evening matchup. 72 down to 65 in favor of Bouquet Powerhouse. And that score is brought to you by Next TV.
Shout out,
Let's get
idol.
ready. Mango Magnet versus Timpani by Akong TV.